Original brown rice looks like this. After soaking, you can see that this is after 2 hours of soaking. And if you don't know why I am soaking this brown rice, I have explained that in today's video. Make sure you're soaking. There is a big reason why you have to soak your rice. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to drain this water out. So soaked water is out, fresh water is going in. I'm going to cook using a pressure cooker. So normally brown rice, basmati rice take less time to cook. Brown rice and parboiled rice normally take a long time to cook. Especially brown rice, if you are cooking, takes a long time to cook. That's why I am using a pressure cooker to cook this brown rice. So to close this lid, and I'm going to cook this for 3 whistles. You know, cooking in pressure cooker, you need a special skill. So if you don't have experience, make sure you understand how the system work. The rice I am using is called Matta Rice. So it's a special rice from my state. It's a long grain rice. The south side of India, it's a small state called Kerala. So I don't know if you are familiar with this state. Once the air is gone, you can open the cooker. So you can see now the rice is cooked very well, and I'm going to drain this water. As I said, brown rice is very good. So, and this is how I test my muscle strength. Be careful when you are draining the water, because you know normally this is a little bit heat, so you need good heat resistance to drain like this. And if you don't have heat resistance, don't do this magic. I have a lot of practice with this. Okay, so water almost gone. See, the brown rice is really cooked. So that's how you cook brown rice. Now you can eat this brown rice using some type of vegetables, curry, or you know, something. I have a special food for today. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and share this with one of your favorite rice lover.